Hi, and thanks for watching. In 1992, Mario Kart for the SNES created the kart racing genre, racing games where the laws of physics need not apply. Super Mario Kart is so well designed that it is possible to take all corners at maximum speed if you know how to use a technique that I have called the corrective hop. In this video I'll show you how to use this technique to fully enjoy this still highly playable game. On screen you'll see that while it is possible to get around some of the easier circuits using drifting alone while not braking or decelerating, this technique alone is not precise enough for the more advanced courses. What is needed to stop the uncontrolled drift while maintaining your momentum is a hop in the opposite direction to the drift. On screen now you'll see how this makes taking tight corners that much easier. Now let's look more closely at how this is done. As we approach the corner, we hop to the left to initiate a drift around it. Once we have rounded the corner, we press hop and right on the D-pad at the same time to straighten up and stop the drift, all the while maintaining full speed. Once more, we hop into the corner and hop in the opposite direction to go around it at full speed. Of course, this technique does take some time to master. However, once you have, you'll be able to enjoy this classic as it was meant to be played. A game that, in my opinion, is the Tetris of racing video games. I leave you with footage of me showing off my best time on Rainbow Road. Thanks for watching, goodbye.